Three important reasons why gold and stock market drops, but there are some stocks going up. After watching this video until the end, you're gonna know my 3 day trading watch list that I'm looking at right now and how to look at which setup is the one that I go after. Welcome to World Traveling Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. Where I'm watching from, comment down below. Gold price dropped 1% within 1 week. It hit over 4,400, 4,500 before dropping to 4,300. And not only gold, S&P 500 dropped 0.69%, Nasdaq dropped 1.33%, Dow Jones dropped 0.22%. So those were the quite significant drop. And look at the S&P 500 heat map. Technology, AI stocks, Nvidia, Broadcom, MU drop minus 7.02%. Intel drop. Look at this. So these are semiconductor manufacturers, equipment manufacturers, they drops. So the other stocks that are up are non-technological, like financials, healthcare. Healthcare is up right here. Look at this. Consumer domestic energy, but mostly technology drop. Here, industrial drop too. Industrial is tied to AI construction. They all drop, so something must be going on. So you might think, oh, if stocks are dropping, everybody loses money. Then you're wrong. I made money. So I made over 11,000 within 1 day. So in order to make consistent profit, right? So they're very important. I use put options, call options, and advance options. So in that way, I could win either way. The market drop, I also win. The market win, jumps, I also win. Market stay the same, I also win. So of course, this is only for freedom master. Not everyone's gonna be like that. So if you are beginning, if you do not learn about stock investing, call option, put option, advance option, and day trading movement stock, you probably most gonna be losing money most of the time. And even beginners, even those students who have learned, they still loses money in the beginning. So that's the price to pay for freedom. Freedom is priceless. So now it's possible. It's possible. Just make sure that the win amount is more than the loss amount, and the win rate is more than the loss rate. So that way, that's the only way that I ensure my consistent winning. And reason number 3 why stock and gold market get dropped, because President Trump wants Oman over Strait of Hormuz negotiation. He threatens bomb Oman with Iran war. So U.S. and Iran war tensions are escalating again, and U.S. may probably be going for war with Oman. So what do you think? What's the chance? So I think it's just a threat, but it may happen. It could escalate further. So the war is definitely not over. So this is the reason why the stock market got nervous and the AI stock dropped. And also, reason number 2, there is a fresh tariff. President Trump is considering new tariff between 10% to 12.5% on 60 trade partners. Of course, after Supreme Court struck down the previous across-the-board tariff last year, Trump administration quickly rebuilt its trade strategy. So basically, there's going to be a new trade strategy and a different premises. And see, Canada trade also he got into trade tensions with Canada. U.S. tried a massive 50% tariff on about 20 billion in Canadian export, including steel, aluminum, auto parts, and forestry products. So basically, the stock market got nervous and it just went down. So that's reason number 2. So most people probably are not aware of this one. And reason number 1 is the most important. If you want to learn more about stock investing, call option, put option, advance option, gold, day trading movement stock, subscribe to this channel. Reason number 1 is U.S. government that year such at a bad time. So because of the war, because of the fiscal policy, the U.S. debt is more than GDP, and there are lots of companies borrow money for AI. So that level has been rising, so the investors are getting nervous. One day they may not be able to pay back, so we need to ask more interest rate. So it's very the same, right? Very the same. So U.S. government debt yields are rising because of that one. So that's reason number one. So which reason do you think is the most serious? Comment down below. And day trading, watch this. Number three, the jump. Hey, this SLE. SLE was down 69% year to date on August 17. People is used to I sent out alert to my Patreon, and then SLE jumped within one day, 126.82% on August 28. Right, it jumped. So usually I like to set up the trend going up straight, but it dropped after it jumped. So probably if I'm day trading, I will look at the bottom, look for the breakout, then probably trade around here, probably about 10 to 20%. And I'm not gonna get 126%, that's for sure. So if I could get 10-20% around here, that's probably a good trade. Consistently wins the race. Consistency wins the race. So look at SAE. Yeah, the big jump, that drop. Probably not. No. Jump, drop. No, probably here. So probably I may skip this trade. So usually I choose 2 or 3. And next one is stock option. Day trade was option number 2. So that's SOS. SOS, it was 22.59% the past 5 days. If I say I sent an alert to my patrons, August 18 it jumped 118.62%. So that's double. So this one setup, I may not take it at the beginning because I see that it's going down. Probably it's right here. If I see the breakout, intraday breakout right here, I may take probably a 5 to 10% move, 10-20% move right here. So probably that's what I'm going to take. Like SOS, see, jump, not gonna take right here. It will probably wait around 10:25 a.m. to trade around here. So not bad. Next one, option number 1, SGLY. On day trade, watch it number 1. SGLY down 47.49% the past 5 days. So I sent out an alert to my trader patron. If you are my option trader patron, and you also get the same too. So the next day, August 18, it jumped 44.54%. This setup probably better. So going down, then after uptrend, yeah, 44.54%. So actually, look at this. But it dropped after hour. So that's why I like to take profits within the same day. 1 to 3 days possible. The stock could go up for 1 to 3 days. But after that, no. See August 19 it dropped. So that's why I like to take profit around right here. Then after the once I see it drop, I may probably just take profit. So the setup, all these 3 are not that great, not perfect setup that I like, but there's some tradable. So usually I choose only one day trade watch this, because one watch this is for sure. I mean, I'm the most sure about that one. If I have to choose 2 or 3, so that means I'm not so sure which one goes up the most. So if you want to know what I buy, what I trade, my watch list, go to Patreon, link in the description, comment down below. If you have any question, comment down below. I will answer your questions as much as possible. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.